day 2 of my adventure, and I'm over here right now in the Hoover Dam. I just went here, as you guys see from the B-roll montage, going here, and right now I'm over here with my brother, my mom, and of course my cousin. Anyways guys, we just went to the Hoover Dam and we're about to go somewhere next. I'm not sure where, so I'm gonna see you guys there. Transition. Alright everybody, right now we're over here in the Grand Canyon, the other side of Grand Canyon.
It's not.
Oh
No, not Grand
the
Canyon.
Hoover Dam.
Hoover Dam.
Alright everybody, so right now is the moment we have all been waiting for. We are over here in the helicopter tours and we are about to tour the mountains of Las Vegas or Arizona. I don't know. Super duper excited. It's gonna be my first time riding a helicopter. I'm with my boy Brandon. Hi.
Okay.
And I'm here with my brother. He never talks to anybody. This dude gonna ride a helicopter.
I'm gonna jump.
Oh yeah.
No! God, please, no!
Alright, so before we ride the helicopter, we apparently have to watch the safety tutorials first. So, gotta be safe.
A few moments later.
Alright everybody, so we just finished watching our safety tutorial video and now they gave us this free limited edition fanny pack. In my opinion, the best ones out there. And we all have it. Brandon has it, Chloe has it, my brother has it,
And look at me.
my mom has it,
Looks like I'm joining you.
and my dad doesn't have it.
Okay.
I'm not sure if you guys can hear me, but like we're over here right now on the airplane, and I'm over here with Brandon, my mom, and my brother. That's fine again. We're fun. About to go take off. It's gonna be so cool. Let's go.
So I thought I needed.
Later.
Alright everybody, so we just finished eating and right now we're over here in this candy store. I'm not sure what we're doing, but they have so much good looking candy.
Look at all those chickens.
As you guys can see, this store is full of candy, so we might buy ice cream and then I don't know, I'm not sure what's next, but you know, we had a great time. We went to the helicopter, the Hoover Dam, and it's great. So yeah. Alright everybody, it turns out I got cookies and cream for my last meal for the day. But anyways guys, I'm gonna say thank you guys very much for watching today's vlog. If you guys enjoyed, please don't forget to leave a big like, subscribe, and comment down below where I should go next over here in Las Vegas. Brandon, say bye. Bye. Peace out. Yo, say peace out. Anyways guys, thank you guys very much for watching. Subscribe, and also don't forget to stay lit, stay happy, and peace out.
So I thought I needed. So I thought So I thought I needed.